Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. When a number put into the machine below, a different number comes out. When 4 when 4 goes in 20 comes out. So what is the relation between 4 and 20? We'll figure it out depending on next example given. And when 5 goes in, 25 comes out. So clearly the relation is that of multiplication. When 4 goes in, 4 into 5 comes out. When 5 goes in, 5 into 5 comes out. So whatever number is coming out is simply the multiplication of given number with 5. Because again, next example given is when 6 goes in, 30 comes out. 6 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 30, comes out. 6 goes in. So we have 6 multiplied by 5 coming out. Now we are asked what happens when 8 goes in, what number should come out? Now the number that should come out is number that should come out is simply the multiplication of given number, that is 8, with 5, which is equal to 40. So 40 should come out. Answer is option D.